Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is House of Fashion signing in once again in front of you. Welcome back to the channel, viewers. Hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always with the prosperity, health and wealth. Ameen summa ameen. Viewers, onto your screen you are watching a very beautiful and the very stunning queen from the Britain, Queen Elizabeth II, and her styles and gowns. Very nice and very beautiful, very stunning personality. Very amazing one. Very nice styles. Beautiful one. Very nice, attractive one. And viewers, watch the video of her styles till end, and if you like one of the idea, then write us in the comment section. And if you like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button. And if you doesn't like the video, then also don't forget to press the thumbs down button, so that we know how many people all over the world is liking our videos and disliking our videos. And if you have a suggestions about our videos, that which thing we have to improve on our videos, then give your feedback, and we will try to implement on that suggestion. Now let's move on and begin to watch incredible ideas of Queen Elizabeth styles and gowns. Very nice, very stunning, very beautiful, very amazing styles. Beautiful one. Very nice and glitter gown. Very decent in the white. Very beautiful in the lilac. Very interesting in the gowns. Very nice styles. Beautiful ones. Very nice in the flurries. Very beautiful, stunning. Very nice, stunning. Very wonderful one. Beautiful styles. Viewers, here you have to write us about that from which country and the which city you are watching us so that we implement on that. We are so pleased to know that from all over the world the peoples are watching us and supporting us onto the daily basis. And here I'm going to remind you about the subscription of the channel. If you are new onto my channel and you are not subscribed yet, then subscribe it first, and don't forget to follow the channel by clicking and pressing the bell icon also. Viewers, visit the channel for more royals of the world and write us in the comment section that which royal you want to watch onto the channel of House of Fashion. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. We'll be right back with the new interesting ideas. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Hope you liked the video. Hope you enjoyed the video.